Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure Netbeans and a compatible JDK are installed and your database server is running. Next, obtain the JDBC driver. Jar for your DB and place it in an accessible folder. In Netbeans, open your project, then add the driver to the project's libraries. This lets your code compile and talk to the database. Once done, create a simple properties file or constants for URL, username, and password so credentials are managed in one place. Now configure the connection inside Netbeans. In Services Databases, add a new connection and point to the JDBC. Jar, test the connection to verify network, port, and credentials. In your code, build the JDBC URL exactly, protocol, host, port, and database name, then call driver manager. Get connection, URL, user, password. Make sure to load the driver class if required by your JDBC version. Also set timeout and auto-commit preferences. These prevent. Finish by running an integration test. Execute a simple select and verify results in Netbeans results window. Once done, close connections in finally blocks or use try with resources to avoid leaks. If deployment is planned, package the JDBC. Jar with your build or configure the server class path. If things go wrong, check the error. Connection refused means host/port or firewall. Authentication errors mean user/privileges. Driver mismatch shows SQL state or class errors. Fix the matching driver version and retry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.